Hello and welcome. Asian cooking can sometimes be quite tricky, but is not the case of a healthy chicken soup, especially a good one. So let's have a simple Asian chicken soup. Get around 8 chicken wings. Cut the chicken wings but don't throw away the tips. 2 carrots, 1 onion, 1 celery leaf, 8 cloves of garlic. Cut 1 carrot in bite size. Wash and clean the veggies. 8 small mushrooms, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 10 grams of black pepper. Add the chicken in cold water and bring to a fast boil. Once it started boiling, leave for 2 minutes. Take it out and put in cold water to clean. Throw the water away. Quick fry the peppercorn. Once its fragrance is released, add 2 liters of water. Add the chicken. Add the rest of ingredients. Cover. Bring to a boil. Lower the temperature to lowest. Leave for 90 minutes to slowly simmer. Remove the carrot, the onion, the celery and the chicken tips. Serve with noodles or as it is, with a garnish of green onion. Enjoy. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.